Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. I am still in California. Me and Rosie are in California. I am currently working from home, but so I brought my laptop with me. We are in California, and Preston's back in Texas. We will go back home next week, so we'll see him soon. We are staying at this cute little cottage in California. It's called Dana Point area. So happy to be here because we're by the beach. We just got here, so we're going to be here from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and head home Sunday back to my parents' house on Sunday. So it's Destiny and Brandon, the kids, and me. So we're gonna have a good time. I'm outside right now. The sun is shining and you can feel the beach sea air, and it's just so beautiful. On this vlog, I'm just gonna kind of talk to you about the new year, what I kind of see for my vlog this year. New skincare, guys. I've been trying this new skincare for over a week, and I am so happy about it. And I will tell you guys about it some point on this vlog. I am you can tell my voice. Christmas time, I had like this awful throat, it was just like sore throat, and then turned to a cough. So I'm getting better, getting back my energy to vlog with y'all. So welcome to the vlog. New year, new facial washes and face serums I'm gonna be talking about, and just fashion. I just have on a Madewell sweater, some redone jeans, and my classic Ugg boots, so you can see. And so I'll show you guys my room. I'll just kind of vlog this whole cozy cottage beach vibe, and let's go get some lunch. We're gonna go get lunch, and then we're gonna go to the store, grab some groceries, come back and chill. They have a heated pool here for the kids, so the kids are gonna have so much fun. I have to go get a bathing suit for myself, so let's go have a little bit of fun. And then we will talk about New Year resolutions, talk about New Year's resolutions together. So, cheers to 2026. So, we went to go get some groceries, and then we're going to make spaghetti tonight. I think we're going to go see the sunset on the golf cart. They have a golf cart, and so I think we're all going to go see the sunset. Rosie's currently taking a nap. It is maybe like 30 till 5 p.m. So hopefully she'll wake up. I'll wake her up within 30 minutes. We ran to Marshall's. I forgot a bathing suit. Rosie has one, but it's winter and I didn't think about bringing one. They have a heated little pool area, so if Rosie wants to go in, I have to. So I ran to Marshall's and I just got this one. They didn't have a lot of options. So I said, you know what, I'll just get a cute black basic. I like the front of it. I like that. And then it has ruching on the side, and it was only $19. It's $19.99, so I got this black swimsuit for me. And then I got this notebook because Destiny and I are going to have an elicited meeting, so I needed my notebook. A notebook. I have my planner, but I needed a notebook. I need to show you guys my new planner as well. So it just says notebook, and it was only $5.99. I like when they have sleeves inside where you can enter in paper. So, and this one has hearts. This is so me, little gingham with hearts. And then I got her learning shape sorting cupcakes. So peek under the frosting, match the hidden shape, and pop them in the pan. Serve with fun for everyone. So there's 17 pieces. So I got Rosie this. Went to Marshall's so she can have some toys here. Guys, when we pack next week, I don't know what I'm going to do. We have Christmas stuff. We have so much stuff. So whenever I pack, I'm going to have to just squeeze everything in our suitcases, or I'm going to have to leave stuff for next time to bring home, but which this always happens, but my suitcase is going to be filled to the brim. So let's go on a little drive to go see the sunset, and then we'll come back and make dinner. I'm going to show you guys our whole week here, and then I'll show you my outfit just to show you really quick so you can kind of see my outfits throughout the week too. So let's go. Okay, so the lighting's a little dark in here, but this is my outfit for the day. I just literally have on this Madewell cardigan, button 2 or 1, black, just a white tank, and then these redone jeans and my Uggs, which are my favorite shoes right now. So this is my outfit. Alrighty, so we did not go on a walk. We will go tomorrow. We're going to start making spaghetti, but I want to give these pajamas to my sister so we can match. It's kind of like our tradition. We did that in Branson, so I got her these ones for Valentine's Day. So let's go give it to her. Okay, got us matching pajamas. No, you didn't. Matching pajamas for Valentine's Day. We did this in Branson, and now we'll do it here. So we can, for the whole week, we can wear pajamas that match. I got the kids Valentine's Day ones, so they can match tonight too. I even got Brayden some little heart ones with sharks on. I think sharks. But we're making spaghetti. Let me show y'all, and then we're gonna get cozy and work. She has to work. I have to work on the laptop. So the girls were playing, and now we're making spaghetti. So let me show y'all. So the girls are making beads, bracelets. Look how cute. Rosie's acting so old. She's putting the bead through the string through the bead. Okay, mommy, help you.
I like the...
You like the ones?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Show our jackets. We're making spaghetti. The funniest thing is, well, yeah, today I went in my closet at my mom's house and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna bring my Barefoot Dreams little like cardigan, little robe kind of, just because it's just so cozy, and I'm like, if I'm cold, I need that. And then Destiny did the same.
I brought mine.
We both, I was like, you brought yours, I brought mine. So that means if you don't have a Barefoot Dreams, you need to get one because they're so cozy around the house. And mine stays in California, so whenever I'm here, I'm just like, I enjoy it so much because it's so nice. Okay. I'm gonna pour the noodles in right now. Okay, so I bought pajamas for Saint, Bubba's, and Rosie for my god kids. Kiddos, I bought you pajamas. I'm that Nina. Okay. Oh, they're jumping on the bed.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Rosie's pajamas. Saintie's pajamas. And Bubba. Happy Valentine's. To the beach! We rode down to the golf cart and they have the private beach. Hi! Let's go to the beach! Today is Thursday. We started the morning by going off to Ritz-Carlton, getting coffee and getting some berries and a croissant that was so good. Now we're here on the private beach. The kids are playing in the sand. Then we'll go back, they'll take their naps, and then we'll go to Laguna Beach for dinner and some shopping. So it's been a beautiful day, beautiful little relaxing trip. Even though I'm still working, I worked all morning, and then it's been good. It's been fun. Want to help Bubba fill up the bucket? Okay, so we are back on the beach. Literally like 2-3 minute golf ride car to the beach. Got my bathing suit on. This is the new bathing suit that I got. I love it. I love how it's a full body, and then just the front end is just really cute. Here. We're gonna go in the heated pool, and then after that we're gonna put the kids down for a nap, and then I might take a nap. And then we're gonna go to Laguna Beach for dinner. So it's been a very nice day. I worked all morning. That was really nice. Now I'm like, you know. But yeah, so I have my hair in a little top knot. About to put Rosie's bathing suit on. Marshall's $19.99 for this bathing suit, and I love it. I love how it's like ruched. It actually fits me really good. So cheers to the winter in California. Let's see if they are. That strawberry one?
Oh.
They're so blessed. Alrighty, round 2 for dinner. We are making spaghetti again for the kids because at the request. But then I'm gonna make a almond soup for me and Destiny. We have potatoes, carrots, did I say potatoes already? And celery. And then we have onions. So we're gonna make almond soup for us. We went to Gelson's to go grab everything. And we stopped by and got gelato, and then we got
Earth Cafe
coffee. Destiny ran down and got coffee. So if you guys know Earth Cafe coffee, we're gonna be up for some time. That's gonna just give us the energy because it's almost like 8 p.m. We went to the beach, we did a lot, and then the kids swam, and then Destiny worked, and it was just like, yeah. And so we kind of went out later, but we enjoyed ourselves. So cheers to dinner. We're gonna make some food, and I'll show you my soup when it's done, and then take a shower, put my pajamas on, and then I'll see you guys in the morning. Day 2 on the beach. It is about 1 o'clock and we are just here. Brought some snacks, letting them play for a little bit. It's really nice because this is a private beach. So it's very calm for these residents here. Coffee. Grapes? Okay, we'll give you grapes right now. Going to find some seashells. These girls like finding their seashells. They're collecting them. It is a beautiful day here in California. Good morning. Today is Saturday morning. We are still here at the beach house. We are going to the Ritz-Carlton to go get some coffee, then head to the beach and just pick shells, hang out for a bit, and then we're gonna go to this other little village today too. So I'll take you guys with me. Oh, I'm excited. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. I'm wearing a long sleeve and just my redone jeans and my Ugg boots for now, and then I'll take them off when we go to the beach, and then we'll go out tonight this afternoon to go have some yummy lunch. I'm just so ready to get my hair cut, getting it cut next week and colored, so excited about that. So enjoying this California weather and days that I have till I go back to Texas. We're coming to get our afternoon coffee. So this has been our go-to at the Ritz, their cafe, to come and get their coffee, and their croissants are so good. My mom came and joined us today for the day. So cheers to the sun. Oh, that's what she wants. Wow, how cute. What are you gonna eat, babe?
The bus.
What are you eating? Pizza? Show me your backpack. A jelly cat backpack. Do you want it? Rosie, let me see your ice cream. We got some more gelato. Can you tell us what you got?
Gelato.
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 Ah,